Good morning, everyone. Wake up. It's 7:30.
Morning, Anna. Is the coffee ready?
Yes, it is. And I'm making eggs and toast. Where is Leo?
He is still in bed. He doesn't want to get up.
Oh no, I don't want to go to school.
Leo, come to the kitchen, please. You have school in 1 hour.
I'm here, Mom. I'm tired. Can I stay home today?
No, honey. Eat your breakfast. You have a math test today, remember?
Oh, right. I forgot.
Do you have your backpack, Leo?
Yes, it's by the door. But I can't find my blue shoes.
Check under the sofa. You always leave them there.
Oh no! It's 8 a.m. I have a meeting at 8:30. I must go!
Don't forget your lunchbox, David. It's on the table.
Thanks. Bye, Leo. Have a good day at school.
Bye, Dad.
Okay, Leo. Finish your juice and go brush your teeth. We leave in 10 minutes.
Okay, Mom. I'm going.
Leo, hurry up. We're late.
Mom, I'm almost done. Mom, I'm ready. I'm running to you. Mom, can I sit next to you?
Yes, sure.
Driving down the road, singing loud and clear, with the windows down, the sky is oh so near. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Leo. Have a good day at school.
Oh no! I have an appointment at the hair salon! I am so sorry I'm late. That's okay, no problem. Your hairstylist will be here in a moment. I want to color my roots and cut the ends, please.
Of course.
I love it when they wash my hair. It feels so good. I really liked everything, thank you. We're so glad to hear that.
Hi, Leo. How was your school day? It was great, Mom. I liked the math test. Wow, your hair looks beautiful.
Thank you, honey. I went to the salon today. Let's go home.
Leo, do your homework, please. I am starting to cook dinner.
Okay, Mom. What is for dinner?
I am making pasta with chicken and a fresh salad.
Yay, my favorite.
I know, it'll be ready soon.
Thanks, Mom.
I'm home. It was a very long day at work. Something smells amazing.
Hi, David. You are just in time. Dinner is ready.
Let's eat. I am very hungry.
Me too, almost done.
It looks delicious.
Thanks, love.
How was the test, Leo?
It was easy. I think I got an A.
That is wonderful news. Leo, it's 9 o'clock. It is time for bed.
Can I play 5 more minutes?
No, sweetie, you need to sleep. Go put on your pajamas.
I wanted to play Roblox.
Good night, Leo. Dream of something nice.
Good night, Mom. Love you.
Love you too.
Finally, the day is over. I am so tired.
Me too. Let's sleep. Good night, Anna.
Good night, David.